Doritos. Now, I understand inflation is a thing that's going on and everybody has to deal with it, and I understand that. And it wasn't too bad when, all the potato chips went up to 50 cents. That was acceptable. That was not a problem. They came in a bigger bag, it was worth 50 cents. Exhibit A. This right here, ladies and gentlemen, is the new 59 cents bag of potato chips by Doritos. Not only is it smaller packaging, it looks like a 25-cent bag of Doritos, and it not only costs 59 cents if you buy one. So they're now tricking you to buy two bags of chips so that you can have this, two bags of chips for $1. But this bag, ladies and gentlemen, is not a 50-cent bag worth of chips. This ain't worth 59 cents. It definitely ain't worth 50 cents. It's worth about 25 cents. I would have given better if they would have said this the new 35-cent bag of chips, okay? This is ridiculous. And I don't think anybody should take this. If you're buying chips for your child, for yourself, for your lunch, for your snack, anything, these are the new sizes of all of the chips. All the chips. Not just Doritos, all of the chips. And they're costing 59 cents. So they're making the corner stores charge you 59 cents for one small ass bag, which is actually 1 1/8 of an ounce. The other 50-cent bag, I really don't know, but I'm pretty sure it was more than 1 1/8 of an ounce. This is ridiculous. I only bought the bag of chips to make this statement. I am no longer supporting Doritos. And I love Doritos. That's the only chip I like that. I'm no longer supporting Doritos. They need to make something different. Whoever the company is or whoever's going on and thinking that this is okay and you're going to go to the store and buy it now, that's ridiculous. Please share this video. Make a comment on the video. Because I'm going to definitely call Doritos up because I'm going to make sure I'm videotaping this because this is ridiculous. It really is. I don't think that it's fair that I should have to pay 59 cents for a 25-cent bag of chips. They crazy in 2015. They wild, I'm telling you. KK told you first. Good night.